Should I weigh myself? The scales go up and down. I'm not seeing the results I want. I get frustrated. And then I end up thinking it's not going to work. So first we've got to consider, what does working mean for you? If you're doing the exercise, if you're doing the food side of it, something we talk about a lot in Preach Your Fit, the food, the fitness, the focus. If you're doing the food fitness side, guess what? You're getting fitter, you're getting stronger. You're getting all the benefits from exercise already. You don't have to change everything all at once. If you're getting frustrated by the scales, two options. One, weigh yourself every day. Add them all up over the week. So 7 weigh-ins over the week. First thing in the morning, before eating or drinking, after using the loo. Then divide that number by 7. So add them all up over the week, divide by 7. That gives you an average. We compare average week on week. That will give us data rather than fluctuations going up and down. That gives us proper data that we can look at, the trend that counts, not the little fluctuations that go up and down. They're irrelevant. Number 2, just get your head down and do the work. Don't weigh yourself for a month. Because the problem is, there's so many variables here. There's time of day you eat, there's time of day you weigh. Did you eat more veg? Did you eat more fruit? Did you start a new exercise program? These are all things that could be impacting. And remember, it doesn't define our self-worth, how good of a person we are. All as it does, it gives us one measure of many. And this is why maybe it's better to look at how your clothes fit, your energy, how you look in the mirror, how consistent you've been with your exercise, which independent of weight loss will get you better results. Remember, research shows this as well, showing that the more often someone attempts to lose 5 pounds, the less likely they are to die from all causes. Fascinating. That's because you're doing the things you know you need to do. But the more often we do them, the better results we get. So sometimes there's a lot of benefits, independent of what the scales say. We sometimes need to keep going. Because what if we were just one day away from seeing the results that we wanted?